Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix wireless capability is turned off. So I will share to you some steps that you can follow for fix it. So let's start. Number 1 is turn on Wi-Fi. In laptops, look for a function key that is F12 or Fn plus F2 with wireless symbol and press it turn Wi-Fi on. Desktop, go to Control Panel and Network and Internet network connections. Right-click on the wireless network adapter and select Enable. Number 2, check Power Management settings. So you have to press Windows plus R to open the ROM box. Then type this part that is def mgmt.msc and press enter. Expand network adapters, then right-click on your wireless adapter and select Properties. Then go to Power Management tab and uncheck Allow the computer turn off this device to save power. Number 3, update wireless network adapter driver. So then press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Right-click on your wireless adapter and select Update Driver. Then when you have done this, choose a search automatically for Update Driver software. Number 4, run the network troubleshooter. So right-click on the network icon on the notification area and select Troubleshoot Problems. Follow on the screen instructions to diagnose and fix the issue. Number 5, enable Wi-Fi from Windows Mobility Center. Press Windows plus X and select Mobility Center and turn on your Wi-Fi connection. And number 6 and the last one is check BIOS settings. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup, usually by pressing F2, delete or escape during the startup. Ensure that the wireless adapter is enabled in the BIOS settings. Well, these 6 steps will help you to fix the wireless capabilities turn off. So I hope one of them help you. And well, if this information works for you, please don't forget to subscribe and give thumb up to our video. Thank you for watching.